If you are here to look for something that is both versatile yet deadly, a folding knife might be all you are looking for. These tools are perfect for everyday tasks, outdoor adventures, or just having one in a pinch. But with so many options on the market, choosing the right one can be overwhelming. So we have done the hard work for you, by compiling a list of 7 folding pocket knives. So just sit back, subscribe to this channel and enjoy the video. ESEE Izula knife. This isn't just a blade, it's a silent assassin nestled in your pocket. Available in 2 sizes, the classic Izula and the longer-handled Izula II, it's designed to vanish to keep you in disguise and ready to spring into action without weighing anything down. ESEE knives are made with absolute attention to detail using the finest raw materials and care during the manufacturing process. They stand behind their knives with a 100% unconditional lifetime guarantee. Think featherweight fortitude. Crafted from tough, high-carbon steel, the Izula shrugs off rust and wear like a seasoned adventurer. Its compact build might fool you, but its razor-sharp edge bites deep, ready to tackle any task the jungle throws your way. Civivi Elementum. The Civivi Elementum is topped with a lanyard hole, deep carry pocket clip, buttery smooth flipper action, and a liner lock for solid lockup. This lightweight and affordable option is a fantastic choice for everyday carry. The Elementum boasts a sleek design and a razor-sharp blade made from high-quality stainless steel. Its comfortable handle and smooth action make it a joy to use. Treat your pocket to one of the knife world's finest. Kershaw Link. This American-made classic offers exceptional value for money. The Kershaw Link features a durable build and a reliable assisted opening mechanism. Its versatile design makes it suitable for a wide range of tasks. Because the Kershaw Link Stonewashed Olive has an assisted speed-safe opening, you can open the knife with one hand, using the flipper. The 6061 T6 aluminum scales help the Link to have a better grip, which is amazing to have in every situation. Benchmade Bugout. For the outdoor enthusiasts, the Benchmade Bugout is a top contender. This ultralight and ultra-strong knife is built to handle anything you throw at it. Its superior ergonomics and premium materials make it a true investment piece. The Bench Bugout makes a great everyday carry, camping knife and outdoor knife. Spyderco Matriarch II. A favorite among knife aficionados, the Paramilitary II is known for its exceptional cutting performance and rock-solid construction. Its grippy handle and ambidextrous design make it a highly functional choice. This features a dynamic design with a 3.57-inch VG10 stainless steel blade and a unique reverse S-serrated edge. This shows its implication with a hollow grind that results in for exceptional cutting and slashing performance. TDI LDK. The TDI LDK is a credit card-sized neck knife that's designed for law enforcement, military, or personal protection. It's a compact knife intended as a last resort. The knife has a black finished 9cr18 stainless steel blade. It comes with a plastic sheath that's designed to be attached to army boots, on top of the lace part. The sheath also has a couple of lanyard eyes. The knife's overall profile is about the size of a credit card, so it can be concealed just about anywhere. Some say it's ideal to be worn at the small of the back, held inside your pants by hanging off your belt loop by a keychain. Others say you can pin it under a tactical vest strap, carry it in your wallet, or lash it down with your boot laces. SOG Twitch II. This lightning-fast automatic knife is perfect for situations requiring quick access. The SOG Twitch II features a secure locking mechanism and a comfortable handle for safe and controlled use. It comes with a tough aluminum handle. This helps and stands out as a tough utility knife, camping knife, and survival knife that offers strength and durability with a hard anodized aluminum handle. So there you have it, these are just 7 of the many fantastic folding pocket knives on the market. Let us know in the comments below which of these knives caught your eye. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to this channel if you find it helpful.